Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at TIO Markets. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. TIO Markets is a UK-based forex broker that was founded in 2018 and is one of our top-rated, low-risk brokers for beginners. There are multiple account types to choose from and a variety of forex pairs, stocks, energies, indices and metals that you can trade, with spreads starting as low as 0.2 pips, and a minimum deposit of only $50 is required to open an account. This broker is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and more than 100,000 traders from over 170 countries trade with TIO Markets. Once you have opened an account, you will be able to trade on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, with plenty of high-quality educational resources and research material provided. As a client, you will also get free trading signals and daily market analysis updates, along with access to Trading Central and an economic calendar. TIO Markets offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. You can find all the information you need regarding the accounts you can open, the trading conditions and instruments they offer, the educational resources and research material you can use, and the latest financial news by selecting an option from the menu bar on the left side of your screen. You will also find a direct link to the sentiment page here. At the top of the homepage, some of the key features of their accounts have been highlighted, and as you scroll down, you will see more information about the instruments you can trade with them, as well as the spreads that they offer. There is also a comparison of the accounts on the homepage, and more information about the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. You will also find direct links to webinars, articles, tutorials and market analysis further down the page, and their payment methods are listed towards the bottom of the homepage. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with TIO Markets, simply click on the Instruments tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. TIO Markets offers commission-free forex trading on more than 70 pairs, with raw spreads starting as low as 0.2 pips. There are more than 300 instruments you can trade, including assets such as stocks, energies, indices and metals. To view their contact details, simply click on the Support tab and choose the channel that you would like to use. The TIO Markets customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can reach them via email, live chat, or telephonically. You can also request a callback directly from the website, and we would recommend visiting the FAQ section to view answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. TIO Markets does not currently offer a welcome bonus. However, they do offer a very rewarding referral program, and you can sign up as a partner or as an affiliate. Your TIO Markets accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and so much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their trading strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. MetaTrader 5 also provides more timeframes, more order types, and an economic calendar. The MetaTrader platforms can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. If you'll be trading for the first time, then we would recommend opening a demo account first to see which account you prefer the most. Demo accounts will give you an opportunity to test out the tools and features of different accounts with zero risks using virtual currency in a simulated market environment. The TIO Markets demo account offers a virtual balance of $50,000 that can be used to practice trading with. If you already have some experience with trading, there are 4 types of accounts that you can open, and you will also have the option to use a swap-free account. Swap-free accounts include no interest or rollover fees that are charged on overnight positions. However, this option is only available to Muslim clients. If you are ready to make your first deposit, you can open a standard account, a VIP Black account, a VIP account, or a signature account. All accounts can be used for hedging and can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. However, the signature account can only be used on MetaTrader 5. The VIP accounts give you free access to the TIO Signals application with technical analysis from Trading Central. With these accounts, you can make deposits and withdrawals for free. The VIP Black account is a commission-free account. However, the commission fees on the VIP account are relatively low. The standard and signature accounts also charge a small commission fee. However, they require a low minimum deposit of only $50, while the VIP account requires a minimum deposit of $1,000, and the VIP Black account requires an initial deposit of $3,000. Once you are ready to fund your account, you can use bank wire transfers, credit and debit cards, or e-wallets to fund your account, and a minimum deposit of $50 is required. A maximum leverage of 1 to 500 is allowed on all accounts. TIO Markets also offers PAM accounts, which are essentially managed accounts. Accounts can be funded using Australian and US dollars, euros, pounds, South African rands, and many more currencies, including some cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. To learn more about the accounts you can open with TIO Markets and the trading conditions they offer, click on the Accounts tab and choose an option from the drop-down menu. Creating an account with TIO Markets may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the TIO Markets homepage, and then click on the Register button. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal, and once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with TIO Markets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational resources online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. In addition to the platforms and tools offered, TIO Markets also provides plenty of high-quality resources for education, research, and analysis. If you have never used the MetaTrader platforms, you can watch video tutorials by clicking on the Education tab. Here you will find links to the Trading Signals application, Trading Central Analysis, an economic calendar, blogs and articles written by experts, and plenty of other useful tips and guides to help you learn the basics of trading and improve your trading skills. Trading Central is an award-winning research platform and market news provider. If you open a VIP account or a VIP Black account, you will receive 2 daily newsletters via email, end-of-day recaps, daily support and resistance-based forex trading ideas, European market outlooks, and much more. We would also recommend downloading the TIO Markets Trading Signals application to receive instant mobile alerts, free daily alerts, and analysis reports from professionals on more than 300 instruments. If you are new to trading, you can check out the articles and blogs to learn more about the basics of opening and closing trades, using trade bots, and how to read exchange rates. There are many articles with insights and tips on being a successful trader and avoiding common mistakes that traders make. There are also dozens of videos that you can watch, and these videos range from daily analysis and technical analysis to step-by-step guides and tutorials for beginners. You can also watch their webinars hosted by experts and get market analysis insights from the TIO Markets Chief Market Analyst, who has more than 20 years of industry experience and a deep understanding of trading psychology, strategies, and risk management. Over the years this broker has been in operation, TIO Markets have received many awards, and most recently, in 2022, they were awarded for being the best forex broker, for being the best broker for stock trading, and for being the best broker globally. Overall, TIO Markets is one of our most trusted brokers for beginners. This broker is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and you can open an account for as little as $50 US. So we consider TIO Markets a safe, low-risk broker. There are more than 300 forex pairs, stocks, energies, indices, and metals that you can trade with them, and they offer incredibly low spreads. Not only will you have access to high-quality trading guides and tutorials, but you will also get exclusive updates from Trading Central and the TIO Markets Trading Signals application, which gives you a major competitive advantage. If you are interested, be sure to open your TIO Markets account today and bring a friend along with you to claim your reward and get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of TIO Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.